Hey guys, how you all doing? Vicky here. Welcome to my channel. Join me as we make this amazing pot of chicken wing stew. So to begin, in a pot we put our oil and allow this to heat up and add some salt. After that, we're going to add in our garlic. So I'm just going to allow that fry for a while. It's gonna fry, then I'm going to add my onions. So I've divided my onions in half. I'm going to use the other half later. So this is going to fry for a while, but I won't let it turn brown. Next, I'm going to add my tomato mix. So my tomato mix consists of bell peppers, red peppers, that is scotch bonnet peppers, tomato, onions. I've just blended everything. I also added tomato paste. So everything is inside, and I'm just going to fry with the garlic, salt, and onion. So this is going to fry for a while. It's just going to fry and mix together. So the reason why I'm going to fry it for a long time is because I want it to be a bit dry. That the water that is in tomatoes, I need to get it out of the tomatoes. So as you can see now, it's already getting dry and it's properly fried with oil. So this is what will make this stew have that very nice taste. So at this point, I'm going to add my bouillon cubes. So you can use your bouillon cubes or your chicken cubes at this point. So next, I'm going to add my paprika. 1 or 2 teaspoons of this is okay. So I know you guys know I like paprika a lot. So I'm going to also add crayfish. I use like 2 to 3 tablespoons of crayfish, and that's it. I'm going to give it a good stir. Just going to give it a good stir and let it fry again. So for the real deal, I'm using my chicken wings, and that's what it looks like. I have a video of this in my channel. You can look out for it, how I marinated and cooked this chicken. So we just add our chicken at this point and allow it to soak into the stew, and everything will just mix together. Some people do also fry their chicken, but I really don't like that dry taste of chicken. You can fry it a little bit, but I just like it. It's perfect like this. So at this point, I'm just adding my chicken broth. This is also very necessary to give that nice taste, just to enhance the taste of the stew. And this is what adds that chicken flavor to your stew. So take note, guys. So as you can see, the stew is cooked. The oil is already coming to the top. Everything is properly mixed, and the whole flavor of the stew is now inside the chicken. Yeah. So this is the right way and the perfect way to cook your chicken stew. So at this point, I'm just adding some garnishing. I've added my onions, the remaining onions. Then I've added my boiled eggs, my sliced tomatoes, just garnishing it, just making it look so attractive. So I'll just give it a little stir again and allow everything sip into the things I've used to garnish it. So that's it, guys. Let me enjoy this yummy, delicious chicken wing stew with my rice. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Until my next one. Bye, y'all.